Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Last day we start exercise 2.3, question number 1, find the square root of the following prime factorization method. Today we start the question, find the square root of the following by division method. This is not a prime factorization, this is a division method. Number 1 is 13689, it's mean that 13,689 by division method. Yes class, 13,689 by division method like this. From right to left you make a pair, this pair, and one is only one. In this question you make a square, 1 multiply 1 will be the 1, 2 multiply 2 will be the 4, 3 multiply 3 will be the 9, 4 multiply 4 will be the 16, and 5 multiply 5 will be the 25. Okay, here is only one pair, we not take a pair, one. Which table one will come? In the division is the rule that the number here is the same or a less number. So one is a, we write here 1, ones are 1, minus 1 is 0, no need to write here. So this pair 36 is the down. Understand that? What we write here, what is this? There is a 1. The double number 1 plus 1 will be the 2. We add another number, 1 plus 1 will be the 2. Now you multiply, which number we multiply here? 2 with, what is the last number is there? There is the 6. 6 is the last number. It means 6 in come table of 3, table of 6, table of 4 and table of 9. 6 is the even number. 6 is coming table of 2, 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 and 4 9s are 36 and 6 9s are 36 and 9 4s are 36. Less than 10, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9, where the last number 6 will come. So we have here 2. So we start to checking that 36 will come. If we write, there is a 2 now, so we write here 2. This is the rough work, 2. 3 and 3 multiply. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. It's too much. If we write here 2, then 2, 22, 2, this 2 is this. This 2, the factor of the 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 44 is a large number. So what we do, we write here this 89 is the down also. Okay. Now you check that here is a 2. What we multiply with 2, the answer is in 9. 9. Which table 9 will come? 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. Only 3 and 7. The number in the last is the 9. Understand that? So we do 2 3s are, if we write here 23 again, 23 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 69. No. Then if we write here 20, if we write here 23 is finished. If we 2 is the number, this number. 2 is this number. So finish. If we multiply and divide, multiply 7 and 7, 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 18, 189. But here is the greatest number 3689. So less than table 3 and 7, the number 3689 will not come. So now we multiply after the 10, 13 and 17. So we write here 213 multiply 13. Understand that? 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. 9, 6, 7, 2, 7, 6, 9. But here is 3, 6, 8, 9. So, no. Then 2, 2 is the number like this. 2 is this number. After that we multiply with 17. Why we multiply with 17? Because the last number is the 9. 9 only come on the last number 9 will come 3 and 7, 13 and 17, 23 and 27, 33 and 37, 43 and 47, like this. Okay, 217 multiply 17. We multiply 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. Multiply 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. 9, 8, 6, 3, 6, 8, 9. It's mean that we 17 multiply here and 17 also write here. Then we write here 3, 6, 8, 9. Minus that there is a 0. So square root of 3, 6, 8, 9 is equals to 117. Understand that? Second, you do itself. 29241, 29,241. Third part, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh 3,041. Yes, class. Next is the 1 lakh 3,041. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. So we make a pair. 10, 30 and 41. This is the 10. What we 2 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. You write here 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9 and 4 fours are 16. What we write here, 3 threes are 9. 9 is the nearest with 10. 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9 will be the 1. So 1 is the very smallest number. This 30 will come down. This 3 add another number 3 and we write here 6. Okay. Now 6 is only the number here and here is the 130. So what we do, if we check that which number, what we multiply with 6 and add, then we have to find the 130. So we write here 6 with 2 up and 2 down. 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12, 124. 2 here and 2 here, 124. The answer is the 641 because 6 is there and 41 will be the down. Now you check that there is the 62. 62. 6 is the same. 2 will be add another number 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay. Here is the 64 and here is the 641. So we multiply 64, 1 multiply 1. 1 ones are 1, 4 1 fours are 4 and 1 6 are 6. 641. 641 multiply 1 will be the 641. So 1 lakh 3,041 square root is 321. Hope you understand this question, class. You have 8 part of these questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me. You have your next class inshallah will be the Tuesday, I think so. So Tuesday or a Wednesday, you complete this question. Daily you do 2 questions, no problem. If you have any problem, you can ask me, okay? But perfectly make this, perfectly understand this question, okay, class? I will check your work inshallah in your next class. Okay, class. Assalamu alaikum.